Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the tablet face up on a flat surface and removing any case or cover. This ensures you measure the display, not the bezel. Once done, align a rigid ruler or tape from one visible corner of the active glass to the opposite corner, diagonally. Make sure the tape is straight and not bending over edges. Measure to the nearest zero, 1 inch or mm, because screen size is defined diagonally across the active display area. You want accuracy, so place the ruler's zero mark precisely at the inner edge of the active display, not the outer frame. Then draw the ruler diagonally to the opposite inner edge and read the measurement to 0. 1 or 1 mm, that diagonal is the official screen size. Once done, repeat the measurement on the opposite diagonal to confirm symmetry and detect rounded corners or non-rectangular cutouts. If both diagonals match, you have the true display measurement and can determine aspect ratio if needed. You finish by rounding the diagonal to the nearest common size or keep the exact value for specifications. If inner corners are hard to see because of curves or a bezel, apply a small piece of masking tape at the corner of the active glass and measure to the tape edge. Make sure to remeasure immediately if your first reading differs by more than 0. 2. Often a protective film, curved glass, or an angled bezel causes errors. Remove these and repeat for a reliable result.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.